Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video with King's Maths Help. This time we're going through circle geometry. So here we have a circle, and labelled is the radius in pink, which is a straight line which goes from the centre of the circle to the edge, and then the diameter in orange, which is double the length of the radius, but goes from one side of the circle all the way to the other, passing through the middle. Now, a couple of formulas for circles. The area of a circle is pi r squared. Pi times the radius squared. Now, I bet you're thinking, what's pi? Well, pi, this here, is a Greek letter, which is a constant. So it's just one number, 3.14159. It's an irrational number, so it goes on forever, but your calculators have this saved in. It's just a useful number when calculating the area or circumference, which is what we're coming on to next of a circle. So this is the area of a circle. The circumference which is just another word for perimeter, but circumference is used when it's a circle. To calculate this is pi d. So pi times diameter. Now, when we move on to a segment of a circle, you'll notice that this is only a part of a full circle. So when we calculate things like the area of this, we do pi times the radius squared. Now here, if the radius is 6, we do pi times 6 squared. Now, the only difference is we need to do 150 over 360. Now, why do we do this? It's because there are 360 degrees around the point of a center of a circle, and this segment is only 150 degrees worth of that. So if 360 degrees was the whole lot, 150 degrees is just this part. So this will give us the proportion of the circle that this segment is. So the area is pi r squared, as we've been through with this circle, but this 150 over 360 gives us the proportion of the full circle that it would be. Now this gives us an answer of 47.12. Now, to work out the circumference of this, so just put the CC, the circumference, we're going to do pi times the diameter. Now, if the radius is 6, the diameter is 12. So pi times 12, and then we do the same here, the same proportion, 150 over 360. Now, if we're finding out the total perimeter of this, so I've used perimeter because we're including this line here and this line here, as well as this thing which we've already calculated here. So because this is just part of the circle's circumference, we need to add on 12 to calculate the total perimeter of this. 12 by 6 here and 6 here, plus 12 gives us our answer.